how to change Facebook username. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipan Vesnant, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily change your Facebook username. Now after the latest update, the Meta lets you change your Facebook username easily. So here's how you can do it. But first thing, you want to make sure that your application, the Facebook application, is updated to the latest version. If you aren't updated, you might not get this option, so make sure that you're updated to the latest version. You can head into your Play Store or App Store and searching for Facebook. If you aren't updated, simply update it and open it up and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, what you want to do here is tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then you can see the gear icon there, the settings icon below it. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be headed into settings and privacy. Under it, you'll find the option that says Meta Account Center. So you want to head into the account center of Meta, and once you tap on it, you'll be able to see your profiles here. Simply tap on profiles option and you'll see your linked profiles. In my case, I have my Instagram and Facebook linked. Since you want to change your Facebook username, you want to tap on Facebook, and there you can see name option and you can see username option. Simply tap on username and you can see I haven't set username. If you have set your username, you can type it here. Simply cross the previous username and then type in new one, and then simply tap on done here at the bottom, and you'll be able to change it if it is available. So this way you can change username on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.